Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk through the quick and simple steps to create a private list on X, so you can organize accounts without anyone else seeing who you've added. This updated guide will make sure you can do it with ease, even if it's your very first time. Let's dive right in. First, open the X app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top corner and tap the menu icon, which looks like 3 stacked lines. This is where you'll find all your main options. Next, select the option labeled Lists. This is the feature that lets you group accounts into collections based on your interests. From here, tap the Create New List button, which usually appears as a small icon for starting a fresh list. Now it's time to personalize your list. Enter a name that clearly represents the theme or purpose of the group you're building. You can keep it as creative or as simple as you'd like. This name is what will help you easily recognize it later. Once you've added a name, you'll see a toggle option that controls whether your list is public or private. Make sure to switch this toggle on for private. This setting ensures that no one else can view or follow this list. It's only visible to you. If privacy is your goal, this step is the most important part. After setting it to private, tap the Create button, and just like that, your list is now ready. You can begin adding accounts to it immediately, tailoring the feed to exactly what you'd like to see. Whether it's for work, hobbies, news, or any specific interest, you can build a space that's just for you. That's all it takes. In just a few taps, you've created a private list on X that gives you total control over who appears and how it looks. It's a smart way to stay organized and curate your space quietly, without making it public. Thanks for watching.